Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to upgrade and go premium on the YouTube Music application, thereby being able to unlock several features and functions that are only available to premium users. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the upgrade button down below, which is the last option. As you can see, you can listen to songs ad-free. You can listen to them offline and with your screen off if you purchase the YouTube Music Premium app. As you can see, there's a 1-month trial, and then you can see how much it costs per month. And you can cancel it anytime. And if you have a family membership, you will be able to save your money, since more people can use the same premium pack at first. Here you can see the advantages, like listen in the background, ad-free music, download and go. And you can get to know to this pack more if you scroll down and read the advantages. If you want to start your trial, click on start trial, and then you should select which pack you want to purchase, such as the individual, meaning that only one account can use the music premium, or a family pack, which means that you can add 5 family members from your household who can use this premium. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.